guys, what's up? I know, excuse my hair. It's just, I've been hard at work on the cars. But anyways, what I've been doing is I've been kind of trying to tweak the wrap on the 350Z. I want to do something with the livery. I want to do a design. At first when I wrapped the Z, I wanted to do something low key. Now I don't really care. I like extra. If you don't know, I like extra. So I've done extra and I want to show you kind of how I did it, so you can take this and maybe use it for your own car. Just do your own thing with it and have fun. So here's what we see. Yeah, these little things here are just magnets. But I'll do a little walk around. Say hi to the pups. Say hi. Those are my little assistants. But as you can see, I basically used the already wrap that I had, the base on there, and that's actually Atomic Tail 3M, and they don't make it anymore. It's discontinued. I love that color, that blue color, and I was very upset when I couldn't get any more. So I wanted to keep it, but I wanted to make it a little bit better because, as you know, I am doing the Miss Motorama pageant and indoor car show. And with that show is a lot of very nice cars that don't even get driven. And as you know, this is my daily. So yeah. But let me show you a little bit of how you do this. So the colors that you see here, they're actually, the black is black chrome, and the purple is like a purple chrome. I got this from Vicrez. I've never used their material before. Usually I use like 3M or like the actual name brands that most people know. It wasn't too bad working with this material just because I didn't have to like do large spaces. I'm not sure how it would be if I was doing like a large space with the chrome. As you probably heard, chrome is usually a little bit harder to install, just because it's usually harder to stretch, and if you're not manipulating it right, then you can actually like mess up the surface and the color on it. So that's what this is. Now, what you want to do is you're gonna get like this material, and then you're gonna like cut little pieces out with scissors. I did everything by hand. Literally every little piece by hand. I got I think I got 3 yards of the black chrome and 3 yards of the purple chrome. It came up to like $450. The chrome material is kind of expensive, so yeah. Usually I think it takes 15 yards to do a car. With my car, as you can see, the hood is carbon fiber, and it's a smaller car, so I would say usually it's 15 yards to do a car. But yeah, I only got like 6 yards altogether. Cut these out, cut them out however you want to, pick a design and just go with it. Now what I did was I actually drew my car and I made like little pieces of paper. And for a size reference, here's the roll. So I ended up I didn't go to the shop this time to do this. I went to a buddy's house. He has a nice garage just set up. Now the chrome does have a film layer on top. So after you put it on, you're gonna take this part off. And that's just protection. Now you can also take this off before you put it on, but then you risk the chance of scratching this part. She looks fine on the bottom. So yeah. Also, make sure you clean off whatever surface you're doing. I was using rubbing alcohol.
Are those stripes painted on?
vinyl. It's vinyl. So like the same thing that the blue color is, that's what this is. Yeah. Yep. I'll show you what this was. So this is what I just did right here. I had to fold this in. Let me do that now. I'm just doing this because I didn't do it earlier apparently. So let's see it now. It's better. So I'm not going to tell you that vinyl wrapping is easy. I know it looks easy on YouTube, but for me, airbrushing is easier. I don't know why, I'm usually good with like really tedious stuff, but for me, wrapping is not the easiest. However, I do want to say you need to go try it because for some people, they are just natural at it and it's really easy. But that's basically how you do it. You do want to put some heat on it. Some, not a lot, don't burn it up. But some heat will help. Only because the heat actually, the glue part that's on the other side of the vinyl wrap, the heat makes it actually start working. So make sure you seal it in and you are good to go. But here is my art. I could not be driving all plain and simple, and I just want to make it look a little bit different. So I'm back looking crazy again. I'm crazy, I mean stand out. So I hope you like it. I hope you learned something. And if you have any questions, make sure you put it in the comments. And I guess I'll see you around.
Molly, don't eat it.
Molly's like,
You're gonna hurt me.